Hello everyone and welcome again to Dreadlock Centric. So today I would like to talk about protein treatment. I did a protein treatment for the first time not too long ago using a product I got from a store. I was a bit disappointed because this product did little to nothing for my locks. So I got curious and decided to do something different by making my own mix using random ingredients from my kitchen. And believe it, I loved how my hair felt afterwards. So if you are willing to give this protein treatment a try, please stay tuned. So for this protein treatment, you will need 4 tablespoons edible mayonnaise. I know edible mayonnaise again, right? 3 tablespoons oat milk, 2 egg yolks if you have dry hair, or 1 egg yolk for a combination hair, 2 teaspoons honey, and a few drops of lavender oil. Now this oil is just to mask the smell of the yolk. Mix all these ingredients together and apply on a clean damp hair. Cover with a shower cap or plastic bag and let the sit on your hair for say 45 minutes to an hour. After which you shampoo lightly. Whatever you do, do not apply any form of heat on your hair. You don't want to scramble hair. No heat cap, don't wash off with hot water. Okay, after washing off, then you can follow up with your hot hair treatment for some extra love. And that's it. I'd like to know, do you do protein treatment? Are you going to give this protein treatment a try? When you do, please do let us know by leaving a comment on the comment section below. I'll be reading through those comments. Until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.